Yes, guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadhava classes. Next chapter we are going to start is the adventures of Gulliver. So, who is Gulliver and what are the adventures? Let's see. Gulliver's Travels is an interesting book written by a well-known English writer, Jonathan Swift, in which he describes the voyages of Gulliver to various lands like Lilliput and Brudinga, Bruding brooding क्या बोलते हैं उसको brooding nag. Okay, though the character of Gulliver and these strange sounding lands are imaginary, Gulliver's experience and adventures are written so well that they seem real and true to life. Gulliver, the story tells us, क्या story देखो, worked as a surgeon on ship. As such, he made several voyages. In May 1699, he sailed on the ship, the Antelope. उसके ship का नाम था Antelope. On the return journey in November, a violent storm sank his ship, and Gulliver swam to save his life. Late in the evening, he found himself marooned on a strange land where, weak and exhausted, he slept for about 9 hours. He slept for about 9 hours, and then what happened? It was daylight when he awoke. Let us read what happened next in his own words. So, it is about this Gulliver meets the Lilliputians. I tried to get up from the ground, but I could not move. I was lying on my back when I found that my arms and feet were held down on the ground with strings. My hair, which was long, has held down in the same way. Thousands of strings had been passed across my body so that I could not move any part of me but could only lie there on my back looking at the sky. तो सकाळ सकाळ जेव्हा मी उठलो, मैं सुबह सुबह जब उठा तो मैंने देखा कि मुझे पूरी तरह से इन्होंने बांध लिया है। देखो, कैन यू सी मेरे हेयर्स, इवन माई हेयर्स आर टाइड अप, और मुझे छोटे छोटे जो लिलीपुटियंस है उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे क्या किया है, पकड़ लिया है, उन्होंने मुझे बांध लिया है. So in a little time, I felt something alive moving on my foot. Then it came over my body. Then it came over my body and up to my face. Turning my eyes down as much as I could, I saw a man. He was no half a foot high. अर्ध्या फुटापेक्षा सुद्धा कमी होता तो. By his dress, he seemed to be a soldier. कोण होता तो? Soldier होता. Then there came 40 more. अजून 40 soldier त्या ठिकाणी आले. I was so much surprised that I gave a great cry. Then they all ran back in great fear, and as I was told later, some of them were hurt in jumping down from my side on the ground. तो मैं जैसे चिल्लाया, जसं मी ओरडलो, तसे ते पळून गेले. काहींना लागलं सुद्धा होतं. Next, what happened? Like, Gulliver attempt to pull free. After pulling very hard, I got one arm up from the ground. I also raised my head. This gave me great pain, for many of the hairs were pulled out. I put out my hand to catch some of the little men, but they ran away before I could close my hand on them. तर मी प्रयत्न केला उठण्याचा, मी ट्राय केला, मी उठण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आणि मला तो हळूच उठायला लागला. त्रास झाला कारण केस पण बांधली होती. एका माणसाला ज्यांना पकडण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, छोटे छोटे जो होते ना उनको पकडने की कोशिश की, बट दे रॅन अवे. Then I heard a noise and felt a pricking in my hand like that of the thousand needles. I found that they were shooting arrows at me. तर वो ते काय करते त्याच्याकडे, ते त्याला बाण मारत होते. काय करत होते? बाण मारत होते. एरोज, दे वेर शूटिंग एरोज. वो बाण फेंक रहे थे, मार रहे थे. आई वॉज अफ्रेड फॉर माई आईज. I put my hand over my face. After this, I thought that the wisest thing to do was to lie quiet till the night. I thought that then my hand being free, I could quickly set free to rest of my body. तो उसने सोचा की ये तो मार रहे, आपण शांत बसूया, थोड्या वेळ आपण शांत बसू आणि नंतर काय करूया, आपण आपल्या एकमेकांना आपण रात्री मोकळं होऊन जाऊया. Soon a platform was raised and an important looking man gave a long speech. From his gesture, I guessed that he was trying to tell me that they would not harm me if I did as they told. I too replied with gestures that uh, I I would remain quiet. I also told them that I was hungry. Right, guys? So क्या हुआ देखो, तो I'll tell you. Okay, so he also told that he was hungry. Then Gulliver ate a giant meal. At once, 100 men climbed up onto my body and marched up to my mouth, carrying food. तो सब उसके लिए खाना लेके आए. The bread was as small as bullets, so I ate two or three loaves on a time at a time, and cries of surprise rose from the Lilliputians that I should eat so quickly and so much. The Lilliputians were no longer afraid of me. अभी उनको डर नहीं लग रहा था क्योंकि ये आदमी अच्छा था. Okay, त्यांना भीती वाटत नव्हती. They danced upon my body and ran to and fro. I could have caught at least 40 of them with my hands and thrown them down. मी एका वेळेस माझ्या हातामध्ये 40-40 लोकांना पकडू शकत होतो. मैं 40 लोगों को पकड़ सकता था. But I remembered my promise and I kept quiet. Indeed, what happened, I was surprised at their bravery, for I must have seemed the greatest giant in the world. Later, I was taken to city where the king lived. A great cart was made by joining many carts. 900 men worked for 3 hours to put me on the cart, which was drawn by 1500 of king's finest horses. The city was just half a mile away. The journey took almost a full day. तो सब उसको लेके गए. प्रतीक आवाज बंद कर. सर्व त्याला घेऊन गेले. मुख्य असं त्यांनी काय केलं होते, कार्ड बनवलेली होती. राईट. हे त्याला खाऊ घातलं होते. प्रतीक आवाज बंद कर. Good. So Gulliver's new home. What is a Gulliver's new home? The king came out to meet. He came near and looked at me, but it was not enough. Not it was not thought safe for him to climb upon me. तो राजा ने उसको देखा. At the place where the cart stopped, there was an old church. एक old church था. It was the largest building in the whole country. The for a certain reasons, it had not been used for as a church of for many years. I had now been made ready for me to use. Sorry, it had been now made. तो वो जो चर्च था उसको वो रहने के लिए जगह दे दी, नया घर उसको दे दिया. The great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide, so I could not go into it by going down on my hand. So one of my feet was set in a great ring on the end of many strong strings, so that I could not get away. But what happened? Let's see. But only walk some distance outside the door. The country was outside looked like a garden. After some days, the king and the people were convinced that I would not harm them. So after I agreed to keep certain orders of the king, I was allowed to move around. तो त्याला सांगितलं, लोकांना आता राजाला कळलं की हा काय त्रास देणार नाही, त्यामुळे त्याला म्हटलं तू बाहेर फिरू शकतो. यू कॅन गो अँड हॅव अ यू कॅन गो. तुम्ही जाऊ शकतो, फिरू शकतो. सो गुलिवर विजिट द सिटी ऑफ द क्वीन. तो कुठे गेला? सिटीमध्ये फिरायला गेला आणि तो कोणाला भेटला? क्वीनला भेटला. As soon as I was set free, I asked if I might see the city. The king was pleased to let me do this. तो जसा फ्री केला त्याला म्हटलं की मी तुमचं शहर बघू का? राजा म्हणाला जा बिंदास बघून या. यू कॅन गो अँड हॅव अ लुक. Orders were given to all people to remain in their houses. I then stepped over the wall and went very carefully along the two largest streets. All the windows were full of faces looking out at me, and large numbers of people were standing on the tops of houses. The king's house was just at the place where two great streets met. There was a beautiful garden on all sides of it. Lying down in the garden, I put my eye to the windows. The room inside were very beautiful. In one room there was queen. I saw the queen and some of the young princes. They were greatly pleased by my visit. बघा तो रस्त्यावर गेला त्याने, शहरात गेला बघा त्याने दिसलं. तर तो सगळीकडे बघत होता. खूप सुंदर. काही लोक घाबरले, काही लोकांना आश्चर्य वाटलं. त्याने सगळ्यांना त्या ठिकाणी तो शहर त्या ठिकाणी तो फिरला. ओके. सो हाऊ ही this was just about the Gulliver. Getting guys? Yes.